blind boxes. So I ordered 3 of the blind boxes from Etchr. Let me get a price. All right, so you could get 1, 2, or 3. I got 3 just because I was curious. If you got 1, it was $94. If you got 2, it was $160. And if you got 3, it was $225. So it was $225. I know I said I was going to do the Sketchbox monochromatic, like mystery grab bag, but I got these. I haven't done the other one yet. I was going to do it today. I was going to use the materials and make a piece of art today, and these came, so don't forget it. All right, so I was going to do one at a time. I may as well open them all at once because it'll just take ages to get through them all. So this is the blue one. They are different weights. This one feels the heaviest. That's the second heaviest, and this is fairly light. Maybe we should go with the light one. Let's do that one first. So each box contains a complete laminated edition setup, selected at random. Okay. Oh, I hope these are worth it. It's light. What does that mean? It's full of cards that I'm supposed to paint. Oh, please don't make that happen. That's a little sketchbook. And this soft little paper. Is there supposed to be more than 2 things in here? Is there supposed to be more than 2 things in here? That seems a little mental. I do like this because it's orange, but it's also tiny. Oh, is that all? This is it? 2 things? For $94. Well, whatever it was, $225 divided by 3. Good luck with that. 70 something. Oh my God. So far it sucks. Well, cold pressed at least. It's cold pressed and it's orange. If it weren't small, it would be perfect. Get that nice paper. Okay, I'm already disappointed. I'm glad I opened the light one first. Brush set. Ugh, I hate the feel of this. I mean, this is the same feel that's on the sketchbooks, but when it's out all by itself, it feels weird. God, that's it? Oh, this is very disappointing. And the brushes are nice, actually. They look like they're going to be rough, but they're very smooth. So there's a fan. And there's a 20 and a 15 round. And there's more rounds. 6, 3, and 1. So these are more like, probably for watercolor, because they look like they hold a lot of water. Not usually the kind of brushes I use. And then there's, I don't know what these are. They're wood, at least, I think. They feel kind of plasticky. Maybe they sound like wood. 3/8, 1/2, and 1/4. These are like, I don't know. This one's kind of angled. That one's not bad. That's pretty nice, actually. Yeah, these are nice. I would use the flats, I think, more than the other ones, but wow. Oh, this feels so cheap. Yikes. I can't believe there's only 2 things in here. Well, okay. Much like the advent calendar, I'm not falling for this again. Oh, God. Can you imagine if you only got 1, if you ordered 1 blind box and paid $94 for this? For this. Because that's what 1 box would have cost. The brushes are nice, and the paper is nice. I'm not saying this feels very cheap, but I mean I'm sure it's synthetic, so cost-wise, I mean to me I use synthetic, so but I don't know. All right, we're putting those in here for now. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's try this one. Which one's the second heaviest? I think this is the second heaviest. Is this a green or teal colored one? I don't know what color is that. It's like light phthalo green. Okay. Unbelievable. I already have this. It's the Fire Horse with deckled edges. It's cute though. I do like it, and it is a good color. But at least this one came with watercolors. And this one came with 2 sketchbooks. Well, I like this. And these are watercolors. Which I will swatch. Let's see what this one looks like. Well, I have to say, I'm liking the colors at least. So this, if you got this on its own, would be $94, which wouldn't be the greatest price, but at least better than the last one. Okay, let's open this. This is cold press, which is, oh, and it's got deckled edges, which is perfect, because that's what I like. I mean, I don't care about the edges, but it's cold press, so I like that. Gamboge. Love that color. It's got that nice soft, and it's a little bit bigger, which is good. Is it like 8 by 8 or 7 by 7? Okay. Well, I'm not as disappointed with that. I do like those, and let's, we can swatch these. Although, I think they could have swung for something to put them in, but all right. Samara, are you disappointed like Mama is? All right, use my brush from the other set to do this, so these are nice. They work okay. These are the colors. They're all the pearlescent ones. Probably can't see the white. They activate really well with water. You put the water in and they're immediately ready to use. I've had some in the past where they're very hard to warm up, but these work really well. I don't use this type a lot, but I suppose it's good to have a set if you need it. I think I like I don't know why, that looks more copper than that. This is pure gold, royal gold, satin bronze, copper, ruby, jade, and pearl. I think, I don't know, I think I like the satin bronze and the royal gold the best. So, anyway, I mean, they're fine, but, you know, whatever. Still, okay, so this, getting 3 of them, and this being 70 something, I gotta figure it out. Let's figure out how much it would be. To be 75. 75 for this. It's still, I'd pay for it just because I love their paper. But if I were going to spend $75, Murphy, if I was going to spend $75, I wouldn't buy this paint. And I'm disappointed because I wouldn't have got the 4th set if I'd known I was going to get this. Because I really just wanted 1, but they only came in a set of 4. So now I regret buying the original pack of 4 that I got, because this is the best color. It's got cold press in it. Well, this is a little different though. I think this is different from the ones I got. Oh, it's a different color at least. Oh, because these are the accordions. That was the difference. And so they're all different colors. Okay. Well, that makes me feel a little bit better. Because I remembered opening them and there was something written. Because it's an accordion. So, this is one from the other set. So, okay. Because they had 2 sets. They had the accordion set, and then later on they came out with a different set of 4. And I think it had deckled edges and it wasn't accordion. So, okay, I'm happy with that then. All right. All right, so that's that. Oh. God, that first one was so disappointing. I mean, I guess brushes are, I don't know. I guess I just buy cheap brushes, so I don't really care, because I just buy them cheap and use them up and buy more. Because I'm not all that precious with them. All right, so there's the second one. Water Okay, so this is the third one, the blue one, and the heaviest. Kind of feel defeated. Jeez. Again, there's only 2 things. They show this, like, oh, I have a back. No, that's not it. Where's the thing? They show this picture on the back, so I'm thinking there's going to be 5, 6 things in here, right? And there's 2, 3, and 2. 1 cold press, 1 hot press. So they're both landscape, 300 GSM. Okay. Some of the other ones I've gotten, this is from a different one, and it's 220 GSM, so maybe the hot press will be better if it's a little heavier. I don't know, this still feels fairly thin to me. Okay, these deckled edges, like I said, I'm not a big fan of the hot press, at least not for watercolor. But I do like the cold press. So geez, 75 bucks for the 2 of these, and that's because I got all 3. So let's get it together. So these were 44 pages, A5 size. So like, I don't know what that is in American. 6 by 9. All right, let's get it all out here. So I like that I got sketchbooks at least. And I like the colors. So all of this, $2.25. I mean, I guess. I don't know. I still feel like it was, like I said, if I was going to spend $225, I wouldn't get this. But I think all the rest are cold press, so. I don't know. I hate to be so disappointed, but I am. And I wonder if you got any of the, oh, it's cat hair. If you got any of the blind boxes, let me know if they were the same. Because I'm assuming what they did was they put all the same things in the brown boxes and the blue boxes and whatever. And let me know if you were disappointed. Like I said, if I had paid $94 for, I don't know, maybe I'm just being cheap, but I wouldn't pay for the brushes. The reason I pay money to Etchr is because I love their paper. It's not the paint, it's not the brushes, it's the paper. So to me, I suppose it's almost worth it. But I don't like small books. That's another thing. I wouldn't have gotten small books. I wouldn't have gotten small, and I wouldn't have gotten hot press. And this is generally about as small as I want to go. But, whatever. Okay, I know I'm just being really negative right now. But, okay, so I guess that's it for this week. God. Next week, I'll do the Sketchbox monochromatic thing, whatever it is. I'll do that. And I knew there was a reason I was putting off working this week, because I was just like, every day I'm like, oh, I don't feel like doing it. I don't feel like doing it. I was going to do it today, and I was like, all right. Okay, I'm going to try not to be too disappointed. I'm not all that disappointed. I'm slightly disappointed. And I do like the brushes, so it's not bad. I just expected more. I just thought they would put more stuff in. I didn't think 2 things was going to be a box. I don't know. At least put like 4 things in. Even if they threw in, like, say if they did this and some brushes and maybe threw in a couple of paints. Because that would at least feel like, okay, that's a mixture of things. And I don't know. I don't know. All right. Let me know if I'm being too picky. Okay. All right, well, anyway, thanks for watching. And I'll see you next week.